So now let me continue after that. A white man, very very important, underline it. A white man, Hannah whispered. So a white man, this three word indicates many things. A white man indicates what? That is, he must be an American. He was a boy from America. Sorry, he was a man from America. That is, yes, it was a white man. It was an American person. The wet cap fell away, and there was his wet yellow hair. So when the wet cap fell away, that is when the cap was removed, that is it fell from his head, and there they could see that his wet yellow hair, his hair was yellow. What was the color of the person? Hair of the person, what was the color of the hair of that particular person? It was wet yellow hair, long. The hair was also long, as though for many weeks it had not been cut. So from his appearance, they could at once understand that first what they could understand. For at first they could understand that he was a white man. White man refers to which country? That is, he must be an American person. And what was the color of his hair? The color of his hair was yellow, long, as though for many weeks it had not been cut. And upon his young and tortured face indicates many things. That is, he is totally injured, was a rough yellow beard. So what was the color of his beard? It was also yellow. The color of his hair was yellow, as well as the color of his beard, which was yellow. So what was the person doing? Let me read. He was unconscious. So the man was totally, the wounded person was totally unconscious. That is, he was not understanding the situation. He could not understand what was happening near him, and knew nothing that they did for him. And he could not at once grasp the situation that they refers to whom? That is, both Dr. Sadao and his wife did for him. That is, they did many things for him. Him means whom? That is the wounded person. Now Sadao remembered the wound, and with his expert fingers he began to search for it. Now Sadao, as he was a doctor, remembered the wound. Remembered the wound means what? Remembered here means experience. That is, he remembered, that is, he could at once understand that what happened to him, what injury he was having in his body. So, and with his expert fingers, as he was a surgeon, he had experienced many situations. He has come across many wounded person, and by seeing the body, by seeing the injury, he could at once understand what happened to that particular person. And then what happened? What did he do? He began to search for it. That is, he began to search for the injury throughout his body, throughout the body of the injured person. That is the American person. Blood flowed flashly at his touch. That is, blood was flowing throughout his body. On the right side of his lower back, Sadao said that a gun wound had been reopened. That is, when he saw the right side of his body, lower back, that is on the lower portion of his back side, he could at once understand that a gun wounded that particular person. The particular person was having an injury from a gun. The flesh was blackened. Blackened means what? Black. Became black. The flesh became black with powder. That is, the flesh of that particular person became black. Sometime not many days ago. That is, the injury was not a long time ago. The injury happened to that particular person not a long time ago, but it must be a recent injury. That he could at once understand from the injury. Sometimes not many days ago, the man had been shot and had not been tended, and had not been tended means what? Had not been looked after, had not been medicated properly. His injury had not been medicated properly means what? Here in this particular line the author wants to say that the injury was not an old one, it is a new injury, and that particular person was not seen by anyone, and no one helped him, and no one helped the person to recover from his injury. It was a bad chance that the rock had struck the own. That is, it was bad chance. Bad chance means what? It was a chance. That is, they were thinking that it may happen that a rock, that is the rock which was very much pointed, must have struck the own. And because of that, blood was flowing all throughout his body. Oh, how he is bleeding, Hannah whispered again in a solemn voice. So, what did Hannah say? Hannah said, oh, how he is bleeding. That is, oh, see how he is bleeding. That is, the person is bleeding. Hannah whispered again in a solemn voice. Hannah whispered. Whispered means what? Spoke slowly in a ear. That is, who was whispering? Hannah was whispering to whom? Hannah was whispering these words to his husband, Dr. Sadao. In a solemn voice. Solemn means what? That is serious. Hannah was very much serious, and she was saying all these things to his to his husband, Dr. Sadao, and she whispered these words to her husband, Dr. Sadao. The mist screamed them now completely, and at this time of day no one came by. That is, they were completely alone at that particular place. No one had witnessed the situation. No one had seen Dr. Sadao as well as his wife, who were taking care of the wounded person, and that particular person must be an American person, belong to American nation. The fishermen had gone home. That is, the fishermen had also returned to their home, and even the chance beachcombers. Chance beachcombers means what? That is, persons walking along beaches and collecting things. You have seen, if you have gone to a beach, you have seen that there are certain persons who walk on the beach and always in the habit of getting something from the beach. They were in the habit of collecting things from the beach. So there was no one, that is, the person were also not collecting things in the beach. That is, the beach was totally empty. All the persons who were there, who used to remain in that particular place, so none of them were there at that very moment. They were completely alone. That is, Dr. Sadao and his wife were completely alone and were witnessing the wounded person. That is, witnessing means noticing the wounded person. What shall we do with this man? Sadao muttered. So Sadao was saying to himself that what shall we do? What we are going to do with that particular man? Sadao muttered. Muttered means what? To speak in a quiet voice that is difficult to hear. That is, you are speaking in such a low voice that no one could hear. Others could not hear. So he was saying all these things. But his trained hands seemed of their own will to be doing what they could be stanch the fearful bleeding. That is, his trained hands. Trained hands refers to what? That is, he was a surgeon and he had gone through all the injury and all, and he had also experienced himself in the field of surgeon. So he knew all the things which he had to do or which not to be done by him. So seemed of their own will to be doing what they could to stanch the fearful bleeding. The very word fearful means what? That is, the bleeding was the flow was very high. The bleeding was continuous. The blood was coming out of the wounded person again and again. It was a continuous process. He packed the wound with the sea moss that strewed the beach. So he packed the wound, that is, he tried to cover the wound with the sea moss, that is, with the sea moss that strewed over the beach, that is, that was lying over the beach. The man moaned with pain in his stupor, but he did not awaken. The man, that is the particular man, the wounded person, what was he doing? The man moaned with pain, that is, made a long deep sound of pain. The person was having an injury, sharp injury, and he was lying on the beach, and he was also having pain. So he was the man moaned with pain, that is, he was suffering from pain in his stupor. Stupor means what? That is, he was very much unconscious. His condition was very much unconscious. He was lying over there, lying at that particular place, but he did not awaken. That is, he was just still. He was very much motionless. This line is very important. Underline it and put this within bracket. The best thing that we could do would be to put him back in the sea, Sadao said, answering himself. He was putting the question to himself as he was in a very confused state of mind, what to do and what not to do. Why? Now the question is, why he was in a confused state of mind? Because that particular person was their enemy who belonged to America. He was an American prisoner and Sadao was a Japanese person. So both of them are enemies. So because of that, he was totally in a state of confusion and he could not understand what to do and what not to do. So he was saying, he was giving the answer. He was putting the question to himself and also he was giving the answer. And what is the answer? That is, as I have read it out, the best thing that we could do would be to put him back in the sea. Sadao asked, answering himself. That is, it would be better or it would be best if we keep the person, if we put the person once again back into the sea. Now that the bleeding was stopped for the moment, he stood up and dusted the sand from his hands. Yes, undoubtedly that would be best, Hannah said steadily, but she continues to stare down at the motionless man. So both of them were sharing words with each other, and Hannah also supported him, saying that it would be better if we keep the person, if we return the person, or if we put the person once again back into the sea. Now this is the most important line. If we sheltered a white man in our house, we should be arrested, and if we turned him over as a prisoner, he would certainly die, Sadao said. This is the most important question often comes. Please underline it, put these lines within bracket. Now, what if we refers to whom? We refers to both the husband and the wife. That is Dr. Sadao and his wife. So, both of them were saying to each other that if we sheltered means what? Give shelter to. If we give shelter to a white man, that is an American person, in our house, we should be arrested. That is, if we give shelter to that person, that is, if we bring the person to our house, then what? We will be arrested. Now the question is, why we will be arrested? Because he belongs to America and America is our enemy. So, and the next point is, if we turned him over as a prisoner, turned him means what? If we handed him over as a prisoner, if we handed him over as a prisoner, that is, if we send him to the prison once again, he would certainly die. He would certainly die means what? No one would take care of him. So Sadao said all these things to Hannah. Next line is also very important. The kindest thing would be to put him back into the sea, Hannah said. So what was Hannah's answer? Hannah said that the kindest thing, it will be kind enough to put that particular person back into the sea. But neither of them moved. Both of them were talking to each other what to do and what not to do, whether to put the person back again in the sea or to bring the person into their house, and to treat the injury. So both of them were in a confused state of mind. They could not decide what to do and what not to do. but neither of them moved, but both of them remained still at that particular moment. They were staring with a curious repulsion upon the inert figure. They means both of them were staring. Staring means looking. Both of them were looking with a curious repulsion. Curious means strange. Repulsion means dislike. That is, they were not liking the situation. They were not satisfied with the situation. Dislike upon the inert figure. Inert figure means the motionless figure. That is the figure of the wounded person. So next day I will continue with the same.